Well, yesterday I had a run-in with a Chrome extension malware that infected my PC very badly. I managed to remove it manually, but today when I booted up my PC and tried to open my Chrome browser, it just wouldn't launch. Even though I'm confident my system is malware-free, it seems that malware left my browser completely corrupted. As you can see, clicking on the Chrome icon doesn't do anything. But luckily, I have faced this issue many times before and know exactly how to fix it. So let's dive in and get it sorted out. First, right click on the Chrome icon, hover over Google Chrome and then right click again. Click on Properties. This will bring up the Properties window. Click on Open File Location to go to where the Chrome browser is installed. Alternatively, you can go directly to the Program Files folder where Google Chrome is typically installed. Now what you have to do, open this numeric folder and navigate to the installer folder. Find the chrome.7zip file, right click on it and select Extract to Chrome to unpack the contents. Once the extraction is completed, open the newly created Chrome folder and then go into the Chrome bin folder. Select and copy the numeric folder along with the chrome.exe file. Now go back to the application folder, right click and choose paste. Then click on replace the file in the destination. If you are prompted for the administrator access, select do this for all current items and proceed. That's it. Run the Chrome application again to ensure it is opening properly. It is opening now. But what if Chrome is still not opening correctly? In this situation, let's move on the next step. Here is another method to get Chrome running without losing any of your settings. As you can see, it is still not opening. What you need to do is rename the original chrome.exe file name to oldchrome.exe. Let's see how. That's it. Close this folder now. Now run the Chrome setup file to reinstall the browser again and let it finish. That's it. It is opening now. But what if reinstalling Chrome doesn't work and Chrome won't reinstall at all? At this condition, it is time to move on the more advanced option. Without wasting the time, go to the C drive, navigate to the user folder and select your username to open it. Next, search for the app beta folder. If it is hidden, make sure to unhide it. Once you see the app beta folder, open it and then go into the local folder. Find the Google folder and simply rename it to the old Google. Please keep in mind that changing the name will result in loss of your Chrome settings such as your bookmark and preferences. However, there is a very good chance to recover them later. So it is very important not to delete this folder. So make sure to keep the folder intact. Next, run the Chrome setup file to install the browser. If it doesn't install, restart your PC and try to running the setup file again. In my case, it installed and opened perfectly without restart. Now I need to restore my bookmarks from old Google folder. So head back to the local folder where you will see a newly created Google folder. But we have to open the old Google folder. So open the Google old folder, navigate to the Chrome and open the default folder. Here you will find all the old files including bookmarks and preferences. Locate the bookmark files, which is what I need. Right click on it, copy it, then go back to the newly created Google folder and paste these bookmark files into the default folder. Let's see how. That's it. Now open your Chrome browser again to check if your bookmarks are back. If they are, you are all set. Another thing is that if you are also getting problem to start MSI's browser, then solution is readily available for you. Just go to the video description box to check the link. That's all guys, thanks for giving a like to this video. Stay safe.